You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in British English, and also how it's pronounced in the US in American English. By the way, if you're not subscribed, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from and listen to. Subscriber is the British English pronunciation. Subscriber. Subscriber. In American English, the R is pronounced more strongly at the end. US pronunciation, subscriber. So, subscriber or subscriber. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.